Hello, dear viewers, and welcome to the Marketing Marathon. Today, we're diving into the deep, dark, and delightful world of affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, and cost per click. These aren't just buzzwords, they're the keys to unlocking the treasure chest of online revenue. So grab your compass and your treasure map, and let's set sail. Let's start with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is like a romantic tale of matchmaking. You find a product you adore, you tell others about it, and if they buy it through your unique link, you get a commission. It's like setting up your friend on a date and getting paid if they get married. Here's how it works. You sign up with a brand or a network that offers affiliate programs. You promote their product using your unique affiliate link, and every time someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. So what are the pros and cons? The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you can choose products that align with your interests. However, it requires a solid audience and trust. It's like being a matchmaker. You need to know both parties well to make a successful match. Here's a few tips and tricks to help you get started. Build trust with your audience, choose products that resonate with them, and be transparent about your affiliate relationships. It's like dating. Honesty is key. CPA marketing, by comparison, is like the game show of marketing. CPA marketing, or cost per action, is like a thrilling game show. You promote a product or service, and if someone takes a specific action, like signing up for a newsletter or filling out a survey, you get paid. It's like getting a prize for convincing your friend to do a silly dance. Here's how it works. You partner with companies that pay you for specific actions. These actions can range from signing up for a newsletter to completing a purchase. And what are the pros and cons? CPA marketing can be lucrative, but it requires a clear understanding of your audience and what actions they're willing to take. It's like hosting a game show. You need to know what challenges your contestants can handle. Here are some tips and tricks to help. Understand your audience, choose actions that align with their interests, and create compelling content that encourages them to take those actions. It's like being a game show host. You need to keep the energy high and the challenges exciting. Finally, we have cost per click, CPC, the clicky business of making money online. You place an ad, and every time someone clicks on it, you get paid by ad networks. It's like setting up a lemonade stand and getting paid every time someone points at it. Here's how it works. You sign up with an ad network that pays you for clicks on ads placed on your website. Every click earns you money. And the pros and cons? CPC can be a steady income stream, but it requires a well-designed website and targeted ads. It's like running a lemonade stand. Location and presentation are key. Here are some tips and tricks for you. Choose ads that resonate with your audience, place them strategically on your site, and monitor performance regularly. Remember, it's like being a lemonade stand mogul. You need to know what flavors sell and where to set up shop. So there you have it, dear viewers, the epic tale of affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, and cost per click. Whether you're a matchmaker, a game show host, or a lemonade stand mogul, there's a marketing strategy out there for you.